the standard baby gift that you tend to think of when you're putting them into baskets and whatever is things for the baby, obviously. But a very significant segment and a very important segment that people enjoy sending a gift for is for the actual mothers and the fathers themselves. So rather than sending a hamper or a baby gift, a sort of almost like a sort of mini fusion of the two. And I've found that this approach, I've employed it myself in terms of sending to parents rather than the baby, because I don't know the baby, nobody knows the baby. I know the parents. So I'm looking not so much for a baby gift, because that shows up all sorts of weird things in your search. I'm looking for newborn gifts, or I'm looking for new parents gifts. I'm looking for new mum gifts. I'm looking for new dad gifts.
The baby, we have some wee baby t-shirts, a hat, it's a wee bunny. I have a bunny outfit here, top, trousers and a wee hat. So that is something for the baby, along with a little comforter with a blanket.
I've got Toby Tiger, but you can see it's like just organic. Yeah, it's just purple.
Just a wee purple outfit.
Yeah.
And you have a comforter as well there.
And you've got one as well. So that's the concession to the
baby.
Baby, would that be fair enough? It's like a high quality. I know that, having spoken to quite a few new mothers and whatever, they always report that these types of clothing, which is baby grows and whatever, you can't have enough of them.
Then we have things for the parents.
Yes.
So we have a few sentiments here. So like I have a kind of like a wee poster that comes in a...
It's like a message poem type of thing, isn't it?
The mug. So again, it's your personal preference. If you're going out and buying things, have a think, what could the parent use? Hidden in here, I have a 5-minute calm. Maybe if you have someone who has a loud, bashful baby, a 5-minute calm might be, aren't beneficial for them. So we've got something for the baby, we've now got something for the parents, and we've added a few mine also is a bit more expensive than yours, so we've included a refresh candle, seascape awake oil,
that's really good.
100% natural essential oils, eucalyptus to stimulate, lime to invigorate, lavender to refresh. So expensive, it's for
just
mothers.
Giving it a little bit of a perky up.
And then we have finished our gifts off with a few wee snacky kind of things, just to tie it all together. Kind of on the go things if you're running about. Coffee bags.
See, I've got, we've seen this so many times, because we're actually able to produce them. Then you got like new mum and new dad, but the number of times we've sent this out, new mummy, or new daddy.
Yeah.
And because I think that's a great thing, because we're the producers or whatever, and we sell them here.
Able to change it for you, so not all. If you go into a shop, you might not be able to get new mummy, new daddy.
The only the only logistical problem with that is that the new mummy is left and the new daddy is on here. So if you're trying to do new daddy, you can't see new daddy on here, but you do get that or whatever. So that's what makes gift baskets so versatile and so great. You can modify it and customize it to exactly the way you want. Whenever you're going around with your little shopper basket around the town and whatever, and you're saying, okay, well, I'm looking for a gift for new parents or whatever, what works, what goes well with it? Well, customize and personalize it according to the nature of the relationship of the parents. And then don't be afraid don't just go with things for the baby. Make it things that your new parent, that the mum or the dad particularly likes. So for instance, we alluded here to the food types of things. So that would be, you could change the
they like
coffee, they like that type of stuff. That's something for mum, something for dad. That's the creation of great gifts for new parents. And when you think like this, you can create really great parental new parent gifts.
Yeah.
And that's why we're doing these videos. Here we go. This is after 20 years, this is our
Take
interpretation of what makes a great new parent gift. Have a go yourself. Tell us what you think. If you can't come up with your own interpretation, and these are the highest end, the most expensive luxury new parent gifts that you can find in the entire world. Thank you.